What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I just got this in the mail. It's an intake, JLT. I'm about to open it and show you guys what's inside. Don't judge me. All my knives are in. All my knives are coming in. Just gotta work with what I got. I got the little seal for the it's a Hellcat tube I bought. It's a little seal for the intake. I'll show you guys when I install it. Probably the air filter most likely. Hose, clamps, JLT baby. Tube. And the casing, of course. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, it's greasy. Let's see if it comes with some horsepower. It came with some horsepower. You know, each stick is horsepower. No cap. Instructions. Some more horsepower.
Jasper, you got that black thing.
Hey. Yeah, guys, that's it, guys. I'm gonna make a video of me installing this. I'm just tired right now, so I just want to show you guys I got the air intake. See you guys later. Be out.